Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add friends in Black Ops 6. To do this, first you'll need to click on your friends list right here in the top right corner of the screen. Then you'll be able to click on the plus, add a friends right there, and now we can search for a specific person with their ID, or you just need to enter their player name as well as the number for their Activision account. And you can also go for Steam Online ID and then enter their Steam ID to send the invites as well. And if you're wondering how to find the Activision ID, you can go back, click on your profile, and then there's your name as well as the tag. You can click on this button to copy it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.